Hi, this is Leah from Imagine DIY, and I just wanted to show you how we're going to give a new lease of life to these tired old loafers using these luxury Dior Bows and also some self-adhesive pearl rose. So if you check our other videos on YouTube or Facebook, we've got the full instructions to make these Dior Bows. They're really easy to make. You just need a glue gun, some ribbon and a buckle. So let's have a look how we're going to use these to decorate these shoes. If you check them out, you can see this bow is really tired and scruffy. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to rip that off. There. You can see underneath there, the bow's gone. And we're just going to use a glue gun to stick this luxury Dior bow on top. And the trick with the glue gun is to use enough but not too much. So if you see what I'm doing here, I'm just running it around the edge of where the buckle should be. I don't want it to leak out onto the shoe, so not too much. And then just press it into place. So now they're really pretty little sliders. And then just to give them an extra little bit of detail, I thought it'd be fabulous to use these pearl rose just to stick around the outside, just adding an extra bit of detail. I personally think that one row is enough, but if you wanted, you could add them all the way around, but I think that's just enough detail. So now you've got from those tired old loafers to these really pretty shoes. Why not have a go?